Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to add games to Anbernic. Now the first thing you need to do is prep your SD card. You basically pop in your secondary SD card into your PC, and then what you do is you locate the system folder. So on your computer you open the SD card folders right here, and then you just go ahead and source and transfer the game files. You paste them directly into their matching console folders on the SD card. And then what you do is you go ahead and safely eject your mass storage device. And then you just go ahead and insert that back into the console, and then you can begin playing it. So that's the procedure on how to add games to Anbernic. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.